Okay, in this video I'm just going to be talking about a couple of little shortcuts that I use to make using the calculator a little bit easier. First thing is just using things like highlight. So if you wanted to highlight this and you can move it around, right, or delete things, you can also do it from the answers. Really easy. Other things you can do with this is you can actually use this to put things through the interactive section. So I want to expand this, so I just press expand and it brings it up and it puts it in that automatically for me, so I don't have to type it out. The way that I've seen Andrew do this is he just has this answer and then would go expand. Let's do it like that, but this just does it in one step. Other thing you can do is you can copy and paste things. So you can go edit, copy, and you can paste it here. Good thing about this, you might say, why wouldn't I just highlight it and drag it down there? But the good thing about this is that you can, this stays in anywhere you go in the calculator. So if you want to go and graph this, you can just go file, edit, sorry, paste. And that's automatically there. You can also do the key bindings, which I find really helpful. So with my calculator, I've made it so that if I want to, let me just make it so that you can actually see what's going on up here. But if I want to do A, instead of going keyboard, ABC, and then go in A, all I've done is I've just redone the key bindings so that if I go Shift X, sorry, that gives me A. Shift Y gives me B. Shift Z gives me C. There are already a couple of shortcuts actually built into your calculator. So for instance, Shift Divide will give you this fraction sign. Shift Execute will give you answer. I'm trying to remember. Shift 1 will give you sine. Shift 2 gives you cosine. Shift 3 gives you tangent. Now, I've gone and made it so that I've got, I'll show you all of them. I've got Shift equals is infinity. That's really helpful when you're doing like using your sigmas. Shift bracket and Shift bracket give me my two of these, which I use in trigonometry a lot. So if I'm doing a solving equation, which solve is Shift 7. So if I want to do solve sine of, I don't know, 3x, let's go 3x plus pi, which is Shift 0 for pi, over, I don't know, 4, is equal to the square root, which is my Shift little indice thingy, of 2 over 2, right? And then I want, if I just put this out, it's going to give me this here, right? Which, these constants are a bit annoying, so what I can do is I can actually define it over a range. So you go comma, and you say, I want it from 0 inclusive x, inclusive greater than, to, I don't know, say 3 pi. Right. What's it doing? Sorry, it's such that. One mistake. That is a such that instead of a comma. So you use your sign and your equation, and then you do such that, and then you put your domain in. So this is in between 0 and 3 pi. And that gives you all the answers in between 0 and 3 pi. So the way you actually change these key bindings is you go into menu, go over to your system, and this little tab up here says Shift. So for instance, if I wanted to change divide, right? I've put my divide symbol up here, and I wanted to change it to, I don't know, to give me dy dx, or the differential, right? Then I can just do it like that. So that will give me, and I just press set, and I go back into main. Oh wait, did I have to press? Remember to press OK. That's important. Let's do this real quick. Divide. Differential. You press set and OK. Back to main. And if I do shift, that gives me my differential. Okay, there we are.